Herzebruck-Klarholz has been home to Steinel's headquarters since 1978. The character of the two parts of the town is defined by the historic monastery. What began half a century ago in two small rented rooms as a firm supplying heating resistors has grown into an operation with sites across Europe. Herzebruck-Klarholz is also the nerve centre for the entire Steinel group. Other production facilities are located in Switzerland, Leipzig, the Czech Republic, Romania and the Republic of Moldova. For 25 years, the company has been manufacturing infrared sensors and sensor lights. A further production segment, heat tools such as glue guns and hot air guns. Work in the company headquarters at Herzebruck-Klarholz focuses on research, design and development. Here, it's not enough just to have good ideas, because made by Steinel means user-friendliness, good value for money and above all, long service life. The Steinel Group concentrates on the heat tool and sensor segments and, from its pioneering days, has long since advanced to market leader. Numerous product details and innovations, which have won technology awards and design prizes, were developed and engineered here at Herzebruck-Klarholz, from the prototype to the start of production. Designing printed circuit boards, creating lamp enclosures, as well as developing software and hardware are just some of the jobs carried out by our highly qualified staff. In rigorous function and climate tests, products are exposed to the type of environments they'll have to function in, ensuring quality guaranteed to last. With over 100,000 inhabitants, Liberec is the largest and most important town in North Bohemia. Notable historical buildings include the neo-Gothic town hall, built in the 19th century, and, rich in tradition, the theatre in the town centre. The innovative design of the TV tower on Gestet Mountain makes it well worth a visit. Steinel opened a modern design office in the centre of Liberec in 1993. Highly qualified staff specialise in the mechanical development of new products. The 3D CAD design software Unigraphics NX7 is a completely parametric design system equipped with modules to perform entire development processes. From basic draft designs via calculations, simulations, kinematics and CNC programming to the construction of moulds, dies and other tools. Stereolithography is the most advanced and fastest method for producing prototypes. The process enables extremely complex prototypes to be created in a huge variety of shapes and sizes. The Digital Coordinate Measuring Centre checks prototypes and series products, and also produces digital images of a wide range of intricately shaped objects. For the production of prototype moulds, a CNC milling machine is available. Rotating cutting tools on the machine remove material from the workpiece in order to create highly complex three-dimensional bodies. Nestling amidst the Swiss mountains is Einsiedeln, a place of pilgrimage known for its Benedictine abbey and its Baroque collegiate church. Using cutting-edge production methods and machinery, high-tech modules are manufactured for intelligent building installation products. In developing the printed circuit boards and designing the layout, the company quite consciously turns to world-famous Swiss precision. Providing huge flexibility and configuration, the circuit boards are fitted with components at a rate of up to 1,000 a minute. In other words, 1 million components are inserted here every day. Without a doubt, this is Steinel's centre of excellence for complex electronics and system production services. In handling projects, functionality, quality, efficiency, feasibility and safety all play an equally important role. Situated in Saxony in eastern Germany is Leipzig, a livelier city today than ever before, with a European flair, a pulsating venue for trade fairs, congresses and business. When the Robotron works in Leipzig, once the technological showpiece of former East Germany, became available in 1989, Steinel quickly acquired it, refurbished the company and equipped it with state-of-the-art production machinery. Its core activity, producing plastic components and injection mouldings, as well as integrated management of moulds and dies. At CAM workstations, the design data from Liberec are prepared for the ultramodern machine park. Despite cutting-edge software programs, translating the three-dimensional shape into an injection mould still requires skilled craftsmanship. Experience with mould geometries and work processes, plus expertise in handling and the individual work operations involved, determine the quality of the mould and thus that of the finished product. Mould components are produced by milling and erosion and later meticulously assembled to create the finished mould. Plastics compounding is a continuous multi-stage manufacturing process. The pellets or granules produced are key elements in injection moulding. This process results in high-precision components made from a wide range of different thermoplastic materials, which are fed to the injection moulding machines. Thanks to cutting-edge production methods, such as multi-component moulding, in which different plastics are directly moulded with one another, innovative products and designs are created, which guarantee the high quality of Steinel injection mouldings. Every day, 3 tons of plastic are processed to make approximately 130,000 components. The path from the CAD design stage to the finished mould is defined by uncompromising precision. With products becoming more complex all the time, continuous quality controls are essential. Steinel applies sophisticated measuring and testing equipment, which is developed and constructed in-house, utilizing all the options provided by modern testing architecture. Located in the foothills of the Carpathian Mountains in Romania is Cotea de Argeș. Most of the kings of Romania lie buried in the city's famous monastery church. The nearby castle is a reminder of Count Dracula's reign of terror. Some 20 years ago, access to Eastern Europe slowly opened up. Steinel was quick to realize the opportunities that offered. What began in 1994 with the export of raw materials for glass light shades, for example, led in 1997 to the setting up of a production facility in Romania. Today, roughly 800 employees at Cotea de Argeș manufacture some 50 to 60,000 units and assemblies every day. Hot air guns, lights and glue guns are assembled, tested and packed here. Fitting components to circuit boards by hand calls for particular dexterity. After being soldered, the circuit boards pass through a stringent control and inspection system. The lights and sensors produced here undergo a 100% function test before they leave the plant. Producing heat tools is a highly complex process involving labour-intensive assembly work. Every single one of the units produced here is automatically adjusted, set and checked that it's in perfect working order at the end of the production line. With over 660,000 inhabitants, Chisinau is the capital of the Republic of Moldova. Along the main thoroughfare which runs through the centre of the city are numerous impressive buildings, theatres, museums and government offices. Of particular interest is the Cathedral of the Nativity, completed in 1836, and the Triumphal Arch, which was built in 1840. Steinel has had a production facility in the Republic of Moldova since 2007. Originally just a small operation with a staff of 20, today the facility in Chisinau, under the auspices of the plant in Romania, has grown into a modern workshop employing a staff of more than 200. Over 17,000 printed circuit boards and electronic assemblies for sensor technology and heating elements are produced here every day. Top quality, cost-effective, efficient. Printed circuit board production calls for a high degree of manual dexterity. The electronic components are prepared and subsequently placed by hand on the circuit boards. The modern lead-free soldering machines fit the components to the boards. After the soldering operation, all the functions of the circuit boards are tested electronically. Electronic assemblies, such as infrared sensors, for example, or electronic control units, are also produced by hand. The application of modern production technologies, such as lean production with one-piece flow, help to ensure smooth production, to reduce inventories and to guarantee maximum flexibility. Manual skills and sophisticated technology are also required for the production of heating units. Their design has been optimized over a number of decades in order to achieve the quality and long service life that customers have come to expect. From here, our journey takes us back to Germany, or to be more precise, to company headquarters at Herzebrock-Klarholz, because this is also the home of the goods distribution centre for Steinel products. Approximately 3,000 finished products are in stock at all times. Every day up to 600 orders are processed. That corresponds to 50 pallets and 1,000 parcels, which are shipped from here to over 45 countries. German quality, made in Europe, guaranteed by the name Steinel.